The refrigerator box is controlled using the central control panel found above the cab. It works exclusively via the leisure battery and can be run independently of the engine and ignition. Push the power button to wake the control panel up. Press the fridge button in the top right corner. From there you can use the rotary dial to adjust the temperature through levels 1 to max, max being the coldest. Push the rotary dial button in to confirm. The refrigerator box symbol lights up in the display of the control panel to confirm that it has been switched on. Give the fridge an hour or so to fully cool down before filling. To turn the fridge off, press the same fridge button on the control panel.